Hello hustlers! In today's ever-changing job market, more and more people are turning to freelancing and remote work as a way to gain financial stability and flexibility in their careers. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or any other type of professional, there are countless opportunities to earn a living while working from the comfort of your own home. First, let's take a look at what freelancing is. Freelancing refers to working on a project-by-project basis, rather than being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job. Freelancers can work for multiple clients at once, and have the freedom to choose the projects that align with their skills and interests. One of the biggest benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You can work on your own schedule, and take on as much or as little work as you want. This can be especially beneficial for those with children, elderly parents, or other responsibilities that may make it difficult to commit to a traditional job. Another advantage of freelancing is the opportunity to work with clients from all over the world. With the internet, it's easier than ever to connect with potential clients and work on projects remotely. Now, let's talk about working remotely. Remote work is when an employee works from a location outside of the office, whether that be from home, a coffee shop, or anywhere else. Remote work can be full-time or part-time, and can include both freelancing and traditional employment. Remote work offers many of the same benefits as freelancing, including flexibility and the ability to work from anywhere. It also allows for a better work-life balance, as there's no need to commute to an office every day. One of the biggest challenges of freelancing and remote work is the lack of structure and support. Without a traditional office environment, it can be harder to stay motivated and on track with your work. To overcome this, it's important to set goals for yourself and create a schedule that works for you. It's also helpful to find a community of like-minded individuals, whether that be through online forums, social media groups, or in-person meetups. In conclusion, freelancing and working remotely are great options for those looking for more flexibility and freedom in their careers. With the right mindset and a willingness to adapt, anyone can make a successful living as a freelancer or remote worker. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has given you some valuable insights into freelancing and remote work.